In this video, I'll show you an easy way to do fractional equations. So first, let's look at the steps. So step one would be to find the LCD. Step two would be multiply the entire equation by the LCD. Okay, so let's look at an example. So for example, if we had this equation x over 12 plus 1 over 4 equal to 1/3. Here we see that the LCD, and we find the LCD by looking at each denominator. The LCD would be 12 because 12 is a multiple of each one of these denominators, right? So I wish to multiply the whole equation by 12. In other words, I want to individually multiply each term by 12. Right? This 12 is distributed to each term in the equation. So so here 12 divides into 12 once, and 1 times x is x. Here 4 divides into 12 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. And here 3 divides into 12 4 times, and 4 times 1 is 4. So now we just have a regular equation which we can easily solve by subtracting from both sides. So x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's look at another example following the same steps I mentioned earlier. So here, let's suppose we have x over 2 plus 4 over 7 equal to x over 7 plus 2. So here we say this whole number 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So the LCD here would be 14. And if I multiply the whole equation by 14, so 14 times x over 2 plus 4 over 7 equal to x over 7 plus 2. And this 2 is really 2 over 1. And we'll distribute this 14 to each term that's in the equation. So we have 14 times x over 2 plus 14 times 4 over 7, 14 times x over 7, and then finally I have plus 14 times 2 over 1. Okay, so here 2 divides into 14 7 times, and then 7 times x is 7x. 7 divides into 14 twice, so 2 times 4 is 8, equal, and now here 7 divides into 14 2 times, and then 2 times x is 2x, and then over here 1 does not cancel 14, so we just have 14 times 2, so we have plus 28. So now here we just have, I could subtract 8 from both sides. This gets rid of 8 here, and in one step I can do subtract 2x from over here as well. So here I'll have 5x equal to 20. And if I divide both sides by 5, I get x equal to 4. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.